Question number 11, IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics. An is root n cos square, this thing. Okay. So Bn is also given. So we know that cos n less than equal to 1 and sine of 1 by n is less than equal to 1 by n for all values of n. So An is actually less than root n 1 by n cos square. So that is 1 by n 3 by 2. So this is summation of An less than n to the power 3 by 2. This is convergent. Okay. Next is now larger sequence is convergent, smaller will be also convergent. So Bn equal to root n sine of 1 by n square cos n root n 1 by n square into 1. Okay. So this is the Bn less than equal to summation of n 1 by n to the power 3 by 2. So Bn is also convergent. So option number C is